Rondo 3's one-button design makes it incredibly simple to turn your audio processor on and off. Let's take a closer look.
To switch on Rondo 3, press the on-off button in the center of the audio processor cover for approximately 2 seconds. If you are a new user or caregiver, you might find the simplicity cover useful to help familiarize yourself with the location of the on-off button. When the audio processor is turned on, the main indicator light will fade to white. The main indicator light will then blink blue to show which program is activated. One blink indicates program 1 is selected. 2 blinks indicate program 2, and so on. If the link monitoring function is activated, the indicator light will blink red. The indicator light will blink green when Rondo 3 is correctly positioned on your head. Rondo 3 should be placed over your implant, with the MED-ELN logo against your head and the microphones facing upwards. To switch your audio processor off, press the on-off button for about 2 seconds. The white indicator light will fade out once Rondo 3 is off.
It's as easy as that. With just one press of your Rondo 3, you're good to go.